Lone Wolf Customs once again coming back at you. 72 hemi swap project. Due to video pain phone problem, I got a lot done before anything got recorded. Hopefully this try will function. So, breakdown. Got the new headlights in. They're them fancy blue things. Got birds making noises. Got the power steering reservoir. Yes, I know the bolts ain't that pretty, but that thing's made for like a Nissan or something aftermarket. Which, big hose on the bottom, I had to barb it, you know, put a thing on it. It runs down, runs to the power steering pump that has the 2003, if I'm not mistaken, Toyota Echo guts or parts in it. That runs through a factory 90 pressure line running into the 90 steering box. Coming out of that, runs down through there, comes out through here, goes into a automatic transmission cooler. You know, one of the nice big ones. Goes back and forwards, comes back up here and runs into here. So I have cooled power steering fluid. Got the nice aluminum 3-core big block radiator with my fans and the 45 mile per hour stop sign, speed limit sign cover. Wired in, runs around to relays. Got the 76 style overflow hooked in. I did have one to go over there, you know, more of a little chrome hot roddy. Not my personal favorite out of the situation. Got the 5.7 Hemi throttle body, everything's hooked up. Pretty much 99.9% of everything's wired. Still have no exhaust system. And the O2 sensor is laying right here because I still have no exhaust system. Pressure regulator, fuel pump's wired. Alternator's pretty much wired. Hoses all hooked up. Radiator's full of fluid. Yada yada yada. Got a interesting air cleaner. And if you think that ain't gonna get enough air, she's open in the bottom. So it looks old school, but it will suck a good bit of air. Alright, last video you would have seen the her shifter go in underneath the glove box. See if I can get this thing out. That's where I mounted the brains for the Phytech, the Hemi 6. Front clip's on, but I ain't got it bolted yet. I still need to do that. I know I shouldn't have done half of this stuff since I didn't bolt that in, but it'll be alright. Don't run yet. Headlights had a electrical issue, but you know, now they light up. And these trucks didn't have the little light on the fender, but I wired them up to bright, so when you're on bright like it is. Alright, the ignition switch is wired up. Of course, you know, no fuel. I need to buy a fuel tank. That one's messed up. I'm waiting for LMC truck to get them in stock, which they said it would take 3 months, so that'll probably be the last thing I'm waiting on. Still ain't done my yoke. But, you know, there it is. That is the current condition. If I can record some more when I could do it, I'll do it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Sorry I didn't video more of this. Technology messes everything up, makes it very difficult to do stuff. Alright, bye.